Let me go up in the seat. No, Nick, actually.
You're right.
Look at those.
Oh my gosh, the spider's under the backpack. Does Shamir have a pet spider?
No. He just got scared of a spider last night too.
Somebody.
Oh my god! All this stuff fell because of the storm. It was probably a tornado over here. Oh, look at the tree.
It might have been stronger on this side, you're right.
Yep, it was. You just missed a broken big chunks of trees. Oh my gosh! I'm recording this. Oh my gosh! Yo! I am recording this. Yo, that was so bad back there. There's like, oh my god. Yo, look. Yo, that huge tree just fell. Well, it didn't just fall. It fell.
Wow.
Guys, this is what happens during
Oh my
storm.
gosh! Do you see that huge tree right there, fell?
Oh yeah, I do.
That huge tree right there fell.
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh jeez.
Guys, this
The damage.
is what happens to, like, if the storm was like.
We had a huge storm and some tornadoes.
Yeah, the storm was, maybe we'll pass by a house that was destroyed by
Oh
a
my god, they
tornado.
have all these camera people for the news. Oh, we could be on the news.
Was there some camera people?
Yes, they were from the news.
There must have been a tornado there.
Yeah, there was a tornado.
Yeah,
Dang. Oh my gosh. Wait, I want to see it down by Granny's house.